Juicy. It's Juicy here from Juicy Apple, and I'm gonna play. Is this called Chop Shop? Yay, Chop Shop! So let's get started. So here it is. Chop Shop. 1 paper per item. Okay. This. I'm gonna do this. Oh, I get it. Yeah! Ooh, that's magic. That's magic! Sorry, treasure. Sorry. Rotate to select an item. Okay. I'm gonna pick chicken. Chicken. Oh, sorry. That's awesome. Where is it? Yay! Wait, we have our chicken. System, kitchen. System, our kitchen. System, of course. Dr. Triora. Sorry. Ooh, this is awesome. Butcher. Why is there a butcher here? I thought it was brother. Lol. Item hopper. This is kinda hard to make. Let's go to the kitchen. So here we are, Dr. Triora's kitchen. Large cat. Ooh, there's leather. What? So that's it. That's all for it, guys. I know it's very short, but that's for it. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.